Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super lazy makeup tutorial for you guys. I don't know if you're getting bored with my simple makeup looks, but I have done a few more glam sort of looks in the past, but it's really just not me anymore. I'm very simple, very minimal, very natural. I think it is more realistic to do makeup tutorials that are natural, but I don't know if you're getting bored with them or not. I am going to attempt to get motivated and do a few more like in-depth tutorials using, you know, eyeshadows and that type of thing again really soon. I've just not been really that motivated lately, so I'm sorry if you are getting bored. Please let me know down below what you would like to see more of, if you're, you know, subscribed to my channel because you like natural makeup looks, or if you are getting bored and you would like to see some more variety. But today I'm going to do a really easy sort of everyday, easy weekend, fresh makeup look, and I'm going to sort of just use my hands because I know a lot of people are quite lazy and they don't use or don't have a lot of brushes, and it is more convenient if you can just kind of blend stuff in with your hands or a beauty blender. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender, my fingers, and use some cream products to bring this face to life because I am feeling so good today. So I'm just going to keep talking, but I'm going to start putting my makeup on, and I hope you don't mind. I'm just going to sit here and catch up with you guys while I do it. So I'm starting out with the Kjaer Weis Cream Foundation in the color Paper Thin beauty blender, and I'm just evening out my skin tone. So I have had a really, I don't know, frustrating, demotivating, exhausting year in comparison to some people who, you know, are actually ill and sick. I definitely have nothing to complain about, but, you know, sometimes I try to be positive as often as I can. I come on here, I film videos, I'm always trying to be upbeat, make other people feel good about themselves, and just really stay positive. But there are times in your life where you are human and things do get you down, you know. So I've sort of been having one of those years where I'll have a couple of weeks where I'll be really motivated, I'll exercise, I'll be positive, I won't let anything get to me, and then I just kind of have enough and I'm like, oh. So I am going to Europe and the UK for 6 weeks in October, November. So I'm not going to put all this pressure on myself to pre-film 6 videos before I go away. So I just don't have the time to do that, and this is not my only job. Like, I have other work as well. So I really do, I would love to be able to keep the momentum going while I'm away, and I am hoping to vlog a lot of our trip, but I really don't want to put that pressure on myself, you know, to pre-film that many videos and then have to worry about them remembering when they're going live while I'm away. So I will be having some time away from the camera, well, from filming YouTube videos for makeup anyway, while I'm away. So that's kind of what's going to be going on with me later in the year. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I will be obviously sharing my adventures on there, and hopefully I'll be able to do some vlogs for you guys as well. Okay, so that's it for my base. I'm going to move on to some concealer. What a surprise, trusty old RMS Uncover Up in 22. Sorry guys, just keeping it comfortable and casual today. I'm also going to attempt to find some new makeup when I'm overseas. I'd really like to try some European makeup, particularly if I can find anything that's cruelty free or organic. So hopefully I will find some interesting stuff while I'm over there. Let me know if you do have any recommendations regarding that, or if you have any recommendations on where I should go. We are doing, starting in the UK, we're going to see my family in Glasgow, or just outside of Glasgow, and Then we are going down to just outside of London to see some other extended family. And then we're doing France, Geneva in Switzerland, and Italy. So if you have any suggestions for me on where I should be going in those areas, let me know. I'm feeling like I want some extra brightness just to, I'm feeling so dull today. I've got the Bare Minerals Stroke of Light Eye Brightener. So obviously there's been a lot of drama going on in the beauty community lately on YouTube. And I gotta say, it's actually really nice just being a small YouTuber in quite a niche sort of area with the green beauty, cruelty free. There's usually not really a lot of bullshit that goes on within the green beauty sort of area. Everyone's so supportive and informative, and I'm just so glad I'm not involved in any of that. Anybody got time for that? I have my RMS Beauty Signature Set here. This is the Pop collection. I'm just going to put a little bit of the lip gloss or lip balm on my lips. It's just like a coconut. Smells so good. What am I going to use? I think I'm going to go in with the Buriti bronzer, and I'm just using my finger to apply that. Just kind of running that along the cheek area to add some warmth. You could easily blend this in with your hands, but I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender. Okay. So just adding a bit of warmth. Going in with something I never use, which is blush. This is the Vapour Aura Multi-Use in Intrigue. This is a stick and you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. So I'm going to apply some to my cheeks because I just never do that. And it will give me a nice glow. So I'm just sort of putting it on the high points of my cheeks and then blending it out. Before I go any further, I'm going to go in with the Mav Mattifying Powder just to set lightly under my eyes and in my T-zone. I just have a feeling I'm going to be really oily if I don't. Okay, now I'm going in with the Nude by Nature Highlight Stick in Champagne. I really want to try Nude by Nature. I have some new lipsticks out. Let me know if you would like me to do some swatches and a review, because I'm keen. You know, I'm probably going to get Nude Peach and I don't know, some other sort of boring colour, but yeah, let me know what you think, if you would like, or if you have tried them, let me know. I love this highlighter, it's so pretty. Now, what I'm going to do is, rather than using eyeshadows, I like to go in with my highlighters and my cream products and apply that to my lids. So I'm going to go in with, I have another highlight stick here from Nude by Nature, but this is in the colour Bronze. So I'm going to put this on my lids using my finger. It's a really great way to wake up your eyes. If you're in a hurry, just grab some highlighter or some cream product and pop it on your lids. The only thing is, if you are planning on going out for the day, you may end up with some of it in your crease. But the good thing is you can just blend it straight out. I just love having glossy lids. I think it looks so pretty and it really wakes your skin up. I'm going back in with the RMS Beauty Pop collection. I'm taking the Magic Luminizer, the highlighter, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. To add a hint of colour to my lips, I'm going to go back in with the Multi-Use Vapour Stick, and I'm just going to pat that on to my lips. I'm just patting it on because I don't want to look like a shiny disco ball, because all of the other products are cream as well. So I don't want to go overboard with a shiny disco lip. I'm finishing off with some mascara. I have the 100% pure Maracuja oil mascara. It's been such a long time since I've used this. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching. It is pretty simple. I love cream products and I love them because they're multi-use. So as you can see, my eyes, it looks like I've made an effort, but really I put some cream on my finger and wiped it on my eyelids. So that's why I just love cream products so much. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope that you did find it enjoyable to watch and enjoyed sitting down and catching up with me on what's been going on and what will be happening with me and my channel in the near future. I think I'm going to start doing some more sort of lifestyle videos as well. I'm always into health and fitness and everything, so if you do have any requests, let me know. But otherwise, don't forget to follow me on my social media channels, which are linked down below, so that you can stay up to date with new videos and any updates as they are posted. I hope you all have a fantastic week and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!